Hey, hi friends. Welcome to my channel Simple Coding. Today I am going to explain generics using examples and we will execute examples in Eclipse IDE and see some results. Okay, so let's start. Java generics are introduced in Java ACE version 5 and they are actually solving many problems like type safety, casting not required and compile time checking. So generally what happens previously in Java, previous to Java 5, there were so many type castings were required and generics were not introduced at that time. And when generics introduced, they resolved the type safety one. So let us see an example and by seeing example we will learn it. So, okay, uh, let me clear this out. I'll show you some example. So let us create a list in Java. So I will create a list equal to new list without generics. Okay, let us import this list java.util and array list also will import it. And let me add some values. So list dot add 10. So here I have added a integer 10. Again list dot add. I can type some name. Suppose this. So here I can add one string also. So this list contains integer, this list contains string also. So this list, so if I print this list using for loop, then what shall I do? What what shall I take the value? If loop, it will loop for 10 and test. 10 is an integer, test is a string. So in for each loop, we know I have to write int x of list. Then I want to suppose print x. Okay. So here is the list. It is a list. Okay. What is saying? Okay. So here, see, this is the error. It is saying that it cannot convert type from object to int. Why? Because I have not given any type here. If I give any type here, this is a raw type. This is a raw type. If I give any type here, it's a list of integer only, and here I have to space integer. Then it is started showing the error. We cannot add string to the integer. So this problem was there before, and Java generics are solving this problem. So let me comment this out. Now it will work fine. And here also this is called diamond operator, and in from Java 8 we need not to pass the type here, only diamond operator will work. So in this way generics are solving many problems and typecasting is not required. So type safety we saw, typecasting is not required. So let me give another example. Let me create another example, the class test test2. Here is test2, the main method, and let me create another class. So okay, so this class, it has a value, and I want this is the value. So in Java we need to provide it. So I want to this value can be anything. So I'll type it as a we know object is parent of everything. So I am giving the type as an object here. So let me provide an setter getter for here. So we can, we can provide setters getters using Eclipse, generate setters getter for this value and generate. Okay, using setter getter I have provided. You can write on your own also. So I can give any value to this. Okay, and let me go to test. So I'll create an object of soap. So it's equal to new soap. Okay, sh dot set value. I can send anything. See if I send test, it will write test, and if I add 10, it will okay set value. If I set value 10, it will also work. If I want to print it, if I want to get the value, I want to use it. So suppose let this dot get value, and I have set the value as a 10, and I want to check if it is 10 or not. So it will give me error why I'm comparing an object to an integer. So I need to typecast it. So I need to typecast it as an int, then it's gone. So we can do any operations here. So here we can see we need to typecast it. This typecast being resolved by journalist. We'll see how it is. So if I go to show class, and here it is all the values are like object type. So I want to make it generic. So I'll in the angle bracket I'll give a value t. It can be anything tr, kv, anything will show you. And this is a type we are passing. It is the type which is we are passing here, and I will make a type of value as a type t, and the return type is now type t, and we are receiving as a type as a t. So this is how I am making. This is a type generated type classes. So how I will use it now? If I go to my test class, and if I make show as a giving integer type. Now see, this object cannot set the strings. So this is a compile time we are getting the issue, and in the compile time we can see this is a integer type. This class is receiving integer type, and we cannot set a string type to that. So let me comment it out. See. Now also we can provide the diamond operator here, and yeah. So all okay. This looks nice, and yeah, this is how we create the generic classes. Okay, thank you guys for watching my video, and the next lecture we will see how we can create generic method. Okay, thank you. Bye.